Students, I'm doing a screencast record on my iPad for this week's e-learning for ethnic studies. This is module 5. We're going to continue on what we started last module with, the history of Latin Americans within the United States. And we're going to watch a video this week, and I'm doing this screencast so I can demonstrate how to split your screen so you can watch the video on your iPad while answering the questions on the Google form. And so I'm going to navigate to the Google Classroom, and I have this assignment pulled up already. So I'll go backtrack to the classwork tab, go to module 5. I'm going to tap on it. It's going to pull up. I'm going to go to instructions. I'm going to go ahead and first click on the e-learning Google form. When I do this, I have it defaulted to go to Google Chrome. As you read through this week's assignment, you'll need to complete this form in the Safari browser app. And so what we need to do is, if this is in Chrome, I'm going to have to take that URL and copy it, and then find Safari on my iPad. And that's difficult because I don't use Safari a whole lot. And I should have looked up where it even was. I just had it. Oh, all right. Anyways, I have Safari pulled up here. So I don't know where the icon is on my iPad. You guys know how to use these things better than me probably. And so I'm going to paste that Google form link in there, and I should now be able to complete it. All right, now what I need to do is I need to access, it says next you'll need to open the URL below to the video we are watching in a new tab in Safari while keeping this tab open. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and so I have a new tab open. And I'm going to go back to this, and I haven't inserted this video yet because it hasn't been made, but you'll watch this video and then get it. And so I have two tabs open. And we're going to be watching episode 1. And so it's going to pull me open another tab. I'm going to get rid of that first one. And that's what I need right there. And so because Safari is an Apple browser, it's a lot more friendly with the split screen. It's hard to do the split screen with Chrome, or at least it is for me. And so I'm going to click on this tab here, and I'm going to pull it to the side here. And so just like a PC, I'm able to get split screen by doing that. And so I have my first tab, my Google form here, and you can play and adjust like how much is viewable on each side. And so I would go ahead and I would say, yes, I'm ready. I've split it on my iPad. Provided other yes options depending on how you do this. If you want to find this video from PBS, which is free access, on some sort of streaming app and watch it on your TV and then complete the form on your iPad, that's great. I'd encourage it. Or if you have a PC and you can multitask on your PC, that works too. And so I would go ahead and hit next. Oh, I didn't do the other stuff. My name, JKT. Boom. Okay. Hit next. There it is. And so now I would answer these questions as I watched this video.
There's a drive to deep right center. This may be gone.
And there's an ad. Ken Burns is an awesome documentarian. Good stuff. Does World War I, World War II, and the Civil War, and Vietnam. Great filmmaker. And so here's the video you're watching. Follow along. I numbered these so that you can keep track about where you're at. There are 38 items, or 39, sorry, 39 items. This video is about 50 minutes long, so please enjoy. Have a good one. If you have any questions, get a hold of me. We can Google Meet, as I am starved for attention and need to somehow meet with students. Humor me. I don't know. Have a good one. Bye.